Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will make two things. First, I will teach you how to make cat with the help of wool on threading frame, and then I will make a beautiful doll with wool. First, I have drawn a cat on a white cloth. Then I will make all parts of his face with the help of wool. You can also make any pet or any animal you like with wool. First, I have worked on the eyes of the cat, and now I am making the nose of cat. After that, I will shape her whole face with wool and also make her lips. Now I am making cat ears with wool. At this step I am filling his neck with white and grey wool. Now I am making crown with beautiful colours between cat ears. And I am using same colours of crown at the bottom of neck. Now I am making cat moustache with white wool. At the end, I am using beads to make it more beautiful. Now see how beautiful it is looking. Now I am using wire and colourful wool to make her a doll. First, I will frame the doll with wire, and then I will shape it with wool. Now I am making different parts of his body like face, arms and legs, etc. Now I am making different parts of his face, like eyes, nose and lips. Now I am making black long hair with wool. And now I am straightening the hair with a straightener to make it look more beautiful. Now I am making his white colour suit and pink coat. And this is her cute little red colour scarf getting ready. And finally, it's ready, and how cute it looks, if you like it too. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel.